Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to whiten your teeth on CapCut apps in mobile. Follow these simple steps to enhance your videos and make your smile shine brighter. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Make sure it's installed and ready to use. Next, click on New Project to begin a new editing project. This is where you'll be uploading your video. Now, select the video you want to edit from your device's gallery. Tap Add to load the video into your project timeline. Once the video is in the timeline, tap on the video clip to bring up the editing menu with multiple options for customization. Swipe through the editing options until you find the tool labeled Retouch or Enhance. This is where the face editing features are located. Tap on the Face option to unlock face-specific editing tools. These include features designed to highlight and enhance facial details. Swipe through the available features until you find Whitened Teeth. Tap on this option to access the teeth whitening settings. Use the slider provided to adjust the intensity of the whitening effect. Drag it to the right for a brighter result or left for a subtler effect. Preview the changes by comparing the before and after views to ensure you're happy with the adjustments. Once satisfied, tap the checkmark icon at the bottom of the screen. This will confirm and apply the teeth whitening effect to your video. Finally, save or export the video by tapping the appropriate option. Your edited video is now ready to share or save to your gallery. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step guides.